Today on Got Girl Game, we talk about giving him Cracker Jacks. 4 compliments to make a man feel more manly. 'Cause I love you, man. You are worth it. Now let's cut the BS and retrain your brain for personal, social, and financial freedom. Here's your host, Liberty v. Justice. I appreciate you. You are so strong. You are such a hard worker. And this is probably the biggest compliment you can give a man. You make me feel safe. Or, you rescued me. I have a friend who's a manager at Sprouts. So, one day, I was in there working on these 2 YouTube channels, and this guy was sexually harassing me. And it made me feel really uncomfortable and kind of scared, you know? But my friend, the manager, came over, and he was like, "Hey, is everything all right in here? What's wrong, Liberty?" And I told him, and I didn't tell him because I was too embarrassed what the guy was saying to me. But I told them, and I said, "He's making me feel uncomfortable. He's scaring me," or something like that. And he was like, "You want to step outside, man?" And later on, you know, he helped me. And later on, I told him, I said, "You know, you really helped me out. I really appreciate you. You make me feel safe. I was so scared, but you rescued me." And I always tell men, you are so strong. Now, mind you, strength is mental too. So you can use that in different ways. You know, man, I wish I had your strength. Man, I wish I had your guts. You know? Say, I admire you. You know, I want to be like you. Because you know what else? Let me tell you something. All these compliments can be applied to women too, because people have said these things to me, and I can't tell you, man. I feel like a superhero. Like I said, when people come up to me and they compliment me on my work, I love your singing. You know, when they say that I'm strong and all these things, man, you're so brave to be on camera and all this stuff. It makes me feel like a superstar, you know? Yeah, I'm like, oh, look, I got a fan. You know, it really does. It makes me feel great. So this works on anybody. And I just said how to make a man feel more manly, because I believe more men are going to watch it. But seriously, this is a great way to make a man love you, okay? You want to make all men fall in love with you like I did, ladies? Then this is what you need to do, okay? I appreciate you. You are so strong. You are such a hard worker. And this is probably the biggest compliment you can give a man. You make me feel safe. Or, you rescued me. Check it out. I need your help, y'all. Men, this is for you. Comment below. What can a woman say or do to make you feel more manly? I need your help on this, so comment below. 'Cause I love you, man. Puedes hacer lo que tú quieres. Vales mucho. Like, subscribe, comment. Sharing is caring on all your social media. Liberty's BS on YouTube. Appreciate you. You are worth it. Next time on Got Girl Game, how to make a man feel more manly, we will talk about how to make a man feel more manly by getting him to do something for you. You are worth it.